Dear friends, welcome to Majid Goriaya YouTube channel. In this video we will understand how the RAM works inside the computer. Let's understand a concept before we understanding the RAM. See friends, what is in my hand? Friends, I have a switch in one hand and I have an LED light in my other hand. We connect these. Friends, we have created a memory cell by connecting the switch to the LED. A memory cell can store a bit. This bit can be 1. This bit can be 0. Let's save our data in it. Friends, we have a battery. We attach this battery to this memory cell. When we need to save 1 on this memory cell, we will turn on the switch and result LED turns on. When we have to save 0 on it, we will turn off this switch. Let's increase the number of memory cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have increased the number of memory cells to 8. Now we sold them to the right, and on the other side, we sold it from the left. We connect them to a system. Friends, we have created 1 byte memory with the help of 8 switches and 8 LEDs. You know that there are 8 bits in 1 byte. In the bit only 2 possible values, either 0 or 1. Now we connect the battery to this system. Friends, our 1 byte RAM is now ready. Let's save the data in it. Data is coming from the CPU. We now store this data on RAM. We have started saving data. The first value is 1, so we will turn on the switch. It is 0 after that, we will turn off the switch. There is 1 after that, we will turn on the switch. After that 1, so we will turn on the switch. It is 0, then this switch will not be turned on. There is 1, then this switch will be turned on. It is 0, then this switch will be off. There is 1, then this switch will be opened. Friends, some of them are switched on and some are switched off. We will consider the 1 which switches are on. We will consider the 0 which switches are off. In the same way we can write and read data. Viewers, our data is available on this little RAM. So let's read this data. When the first switch is on, it shows 1. Closed after this, it indicates 0. The next switch is on, it shows 1. The next switch is also on. The next one is off. The next switch is on. The next switch is also off. The next one is on. Friends, we have read data from these memory cells, which is exactly the first data. But the biggest problem with RAM is that if the power supply is cut off, all the data in a RAM is lost. So friends, are there any physical switches on a RAM which is turned on or off to save data? No. In a computer system this works is done by a controller which consists on transistor. So do computer RAM also have LEDs? No, we have only used LEDs in this circuit to show you on or off switch. In computer RAM capacitors are used instead, because the use of capacitors is more reliable. It takes very little current, and once the current is taken, it hold the current for some time and use the less energy. The transistors in the controller save 0 or 1 by charging or discharging the capacitor. This is how our RAM works. Transistors and capacitors in a RAM are now so small as technology has advanced that we cannot see them with naked eye. They can only be seen with the help of a microscope. We hope you understand how the RAM works. We will be very happy if you like our effort. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.